Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In the last video, we have learned how we can design a login screen, and after clicking on this button, how we can open a new activity. But in this video, we are not going to learn any coding. Actually, we want to learn how we can use a preview annotation to see what we are designing. Suppose I am designing this screen. Now similarly, I want to check how this screen will look on my dark screen also. So with the help of preview, we can see this without installing on Android machine. So we have so many settings on preview also to make this more comfortable for deciding the layout. So if you see that we have a preview here. So first of all, this my screen is coming in the whole way. So I want to set into the small one. So I just go to the column and I say here the max width. In place of max size, I say max width, and I rebuild it. So it will be look small because it's a big activity, but I want to display it on a small size so that I can see my both preview in a dark and white screen, normal screen on a dark screen. So you see, like this is the size of my coding which I did in my previous video. Now I want to see how it will look in dark mode and how it will look in white mode, normal mode. So what I do, I just copy this this function, this one. So I copy this and paste once again. Remember, paste once again. Now I change this to preview one here, and you will see if I click on rebuild, it will display two preview here. You see, it displayed two preview, all are of white color, and here preview 1 and preview 2 is the name. So I can change the name also, like I say name equal to dark mode, and here I say name equal to normal mode, like this. So name is changed, normal mode and dark mode, but they are coming in white only. So I will change the mode also. I say UI mode, and that mode would be configuration dot night mode. And you see, as I change this to this one, so it's showing that night mode is coming only for my button. So in night mode, this activity will look like this. So I want to change it to light mode, so I have to set the background also. So what I do, I change the background here in modifier. I add here modifier, then I say background, and I say material design, material that theme dot color dot primary. So I set here primary color. Similarly, I copy this property and I set it to other also, like I set to this one also, this outline, and I set to this also, this text field. Now I refresh it, and you will see that the background color will change. You see, if my font will be set on dark mode, then my screen will look like this way, and if it would be set on normal mode, then the color would be like this. But suppose this color combination is not good and I want to change this color combination, so I can go to this website for material design, and here we can decide so what kind of color you want to set. So we set here background color. Here we set the background color for all the text, and after setting the background color, you have seen that we have the two mode. In the dark mode we will have this kind of a screen, and for normal mode we will have this kind of a screen. So you can select your screen dark and normal mode as per the material design scheme. You can check, you can take your color from there and you can decide your screen. Now my video is on preview. How you can use it preview? So here I'm calling this function 2 time. So no need to call this function 2 time, just we can open 2 time this preview. We can use this preview 2 time, and that also we will have the same output. You see here I have this function only 1 time and I have this tag 2 time. So 1 time for dark mode and second time for normal mode. So still we have the same output. So no need to take this function 2 time, just take 1 time and put this annotation 2 time as per your requirement. So 1 for this and 1 for normal mode, 1 for dark mode. So like this we can use efficiently the preview annotation, and we can see how our application will look if the mode of the mobile phone change. So it is decided by this this color scheme, because it color scheme is by default given by the your Android, and we have theme also here, the dark theme and light theme. So as per when we take a new your activity, then automatically this kind of setting come. But we can take over setting also, we can create over color combinations also. Here just we have to select the our theme or our color combination by using a material design scheme like this. You can take your color as per your choice and you can design your layout. So the purpose of this video was to make you understand how you can use preview annotation. So we have learned that you can use preview annotation with different function also, or with same function 2 time you can write here preview and it will display your output 2 time. 1 for this, and I try to take this 3 time. If I say one more time I want to use this preview, so can I take? So I took this also 3 time. So can I take this also? It coming 2 time only. So I just change the name and I say it is white mode like this. So you see we have 3 time. So screen we have 3 times. Just I change the name and I have the screen 3 times. Similarly I can check my screen at number of option by using this preview annotation like this. So I think you learn so many things from this video. If you really learn anything from this video, please like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.